10:08 a.m. August 25, 24. Next D, Part 2. Morning issues, probably vlog. Magbanta guys, mag-study time po ngayon. Okay, so, kuan lang ni ka ng Google Classroom. So, mag-study time po tayo. Ako'y basahon, pero sa abot sa akong makakaya, i-explain na ko ni siya in Bisaya. So, by the way, before pa tayo mag-discuss, nag-chat GPT ko kanina guys. Wala ko nag-expect na kabalo di mo Bisaya ang chat GPT. Kaganiyara ko naka kuan. Kanihar ko nakabantay. It's crazy. Okay. So, kuan. Na ako something na i-discuss sa inyo ha. Kini ang pinaka sinugdanan sa tuang project management. Okay. Course credits 3. Ang course requisite ani is IT 205. Unsa gani 205 ani? Ang subject sa 205 wala lagi diri. Major subject yata na siya na course. Oo. Pangitaon pa pud nako ang kuan. Wait lang guys. Okay. So habang nangita pa ko sa unsabay title aning course prerequisite unsay subject title, maghinay na kog study. Basahon na ko ning course description. IT 303 Project Management introduces the project management framework covering the phases of initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing a project. So, okay. Ang IT 205 pala is Fundamentals of Database System. Opo. Nana sa Samson. Dito sa Samson pa ko nag-eskwela. Okay, may balaan na po na ako kinsay teacher ana kay limtanon wala ko kabal dili ko aware ato nga time sa Samson kinsay teacher na ko ato. Basig si Sir Charby yata to ambot lang. The discussion covers project management, life cycle, and methodologies, and agile project management. The students will be trained how to be effective team members to achieve specific goals and meet client requirements and specific success objectives within a specified time. Kumbaga, maghimo kag project kung di ba kailangan man siya oras. More likely maghimo kailangan ang deadline dapat dili siya makasakit sa imong ulo. Dapat ang oras na kailangan nimo dili siya as in na shorten kaayo. Pwede pahabain mo ang oras. Pahabain mo ang oras aron dili ka maabtan sa deadline. Naatay quote na, if you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Quote ni siya from Zig Ziglar. Alright. So, tungod nakuan man ta ani guys, basta kuan ni siya, morning ato ang sinugdanan sa tuang project management. It is not always na kuan dapat nag-start na kagahapon. Okay lang yan. The important here is naatay initiatives karong adlaw. Required reading, top seat, essence, project management, and technical communications. Kaya importante gyud na siya guys. And then recommended readings, project management of open textbooks for Hong Kong, and then project management guide 2023 and 24 of F1 in schools of the Project Management Institute. Number 4 is PMBOK or Project Management Book of Knowledge. Ang grading system sa subject, ang teacher na mo si Ma'am Rosie Biala. Ang iyang grading system, midterm exam should be 30%, final exam should be 35%, and then class participation is 35%. Importante di kayo ang midterm, importante kayong duha ka exam. And then class participations, dapat dili mo absent. Alright. Instructor, Roslyn M. Biala, MIT. Okay. And then IT 303, Project Management, Course Learning Outcomes. Ang kuha na ni i-discuss ang core phases sa project management. So, i-memorize lang ni siya IPEMC. Initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing. Mo lang sa project. And then number 2, recognize sa situation and knowledge management in relation to project management. Number 3, acquire and apply the process of project management for the success of a project. So, kining ato ang pag-study sa project management, guys. Slowly but surely, naatay success ani. Alright? So, importante dire ang success sa project. Ato aning studyhan, we have to understand this. Okay, course topics na atay 7 kabuok, 9 na kabuok. So, mauna diri ang number 1 na understanding of project. So, naa siya duha ka subtopics. Number 1, concept of project. Number 2, project organizational structures and roles. Okay, next, number 2 na topic, project process and management. Na siya duha ka subtopics, project life cycle and project management methodology. Number 3, ikatulong nga topic, agile methodology. Duha ka subtopics. Number 1, agile, foundation, and artifacts. Number 2, scrum. And then, ikaupat na topic, scope management. Duha ka subtopics. Number 1, concept and process of scope management. And then number 2, scope management technique. Ikalimang topic, schedule management. Duha ka subtopics. Number 1, concept and process of schedule management. Number 2, schedule management technique. Ikaunom na topic is cost management. Na siya tulo ka subtopics. Number 1, concept of cost management. Number 2, cost estimation technique. Number 3, cost management technique. Ikapito nga topic na atay tulo ka subtopics para sa quality management. Number 1, concept of quality control. Number 2, quality management process. And number 3, quality evaluation perspective and quality standard. Para naman sa kawalong topic, no, risk management, na siya duha ka subtopics. Number 1, concept of risk management. Number 2, risk management process. And last topic, number 9, or ikasyam na topic, tools and evaluation, na ay duha ka subtopics. Number 1, understanding of project management system. Number 2, concept of project monitoring and evaluation. Project, the students are required to prepare a comprehensive project management plan. The purpose of the plan is to help the students apply and practice the process of project management. It has to be noted that the plans are based on the project initiated during the previous summer class. So, ang initiative Sa summer class that was July, isa ka June and early July, kuan lang to siya kanang isa ka bulan lang to among klase. So, sa ako ang natun-an, especially sa subject ato kay Ma'am Christine is kuan manggod to kanang more on um, about sa library system manggod to. Oo. So, kung unsa man to ako ang na-remember pa ato sa summer class, dapat kung sa man tong nabuhat namo aside sa na-remember, kailangan i-continue siya sa subject na project management. Naatay classroom policies. Wow. Kailangan pa ba din ako i-mention? Number 1, Google Classroom. All announcements, including posting of learning materials and academic work assignments, shall be posted in the GCR. Number 2, late submission. All assignments have specific deadlines and must be submitted on time. In general, late submission will not be graded. This is to instill the basic concept of time management and discipline among students. Number 3, communication. The details of the instructor is included in this course synopsis. The preferred methods of communication is email and FB Messenger. The instructor's response is within 24 hours. Number 4, academic honesty. All policies of the Assumption College of Davao are in effect. Academic dishonesty will not be tolerated in any form. Assignments, quizzes, and project contents that are the exactly same in verbatim shall not be graded. Number 5, misconduct. Students are expected to behave in class. Any rude and disrespectful behavior will not be tolerated. Unbecoming conducts shall be subject to disciplinary actions. Number 6, AI or artificial intelligence. Use of generative AI shall only be allowed for the purpose of jump-starting ideas and for brainstorming. Academic works with contents copied in verbatim from any generative AI shall not be graded. Number 7, netiquette. Interactions in GCR or in any platform must be within the bounds of respect and camaraderie. Be considerate. Be respectful. Be kind. Don't shout. Think before you click. Okay. Ako pa yun yung gibasa, guys. Okay. Okay, sa another naman tayong PowerPoint. So, kuan ni siya, Project Management Guide 2023 and 2024. Moderate na ta sa page 4 ani. Module man tawag dili siya yung sa sarili nga PowerPoint module siya. So, moderate ta sa page 4. Pauna ni. So, F1 in schools and the Project Management Educational Foundation. So, dirita mo diretso. Okay. F1 in schools in the Project Management Educational Foundation. In 2020, FI in schools partnered with the Project Management Institute Educational Foundation to integrate project management into the competition. This guide supports teams in leveraging these skills for their FI in schools, car, and entry, with applications across various industries. Kuan, ang founder o ang chairman sa FI in schools ay si Andrew Denford. Ay, wait. Kailangan pa din ako ni basahon. Ay, ani na lang, modritso na ko sa Principles of Project Management. Sige, diri sa ta sa about the Project Management Institute. The Project Management Institute, or PMI, is the world's leading association for those who consider project, program, or portfolio management their profession. Through global advocacy, collaboration, education, and research, The PMI worked to prepare more than 3 million professionals around the world for the project economy, the coming economy in which work and individuals are organized around projects, products, programs, and value streams. Now, 50 years in the making, the PMI work in nearly every country around the world to advance careers, improve organizational success, and further mature the project management profession through globally recognized standards, certifications, communities, resources, tools, academic research, publications, professional development courses, and networking opportunities. As part of the PMI family, projectmanagement.com creates online global communities that deliver more resources, better tools, larger networks, and broader perspectives. Okay. For more information, visit pmi.org and then projectmanagement.com and then at PMI Institute and then kuan linkedin.com/company/project management institute and then instagram.com/PMI_org. Dahil sa principle sa project management, you probably are already engaging in project management in your everyday life. Each time you plan for a vacation, schedule a time, and develop a budget for your group of friends to get together, prepared a presentation, or entered a competition with your team, you were participating in various aspects of project management. So, ganun talaga. I think, I believe niya, nagkaroon ako ng project, pero wala pa na ako siya natawag na project last time. Kumbaga, dili ko conscious ato nga time. I think na ako'y project sa ato. Pero ato alang ning ma-understand unsa bay ani principles sa project. Project management are processes followed to help ensure that all project work that must be completed to create a product, service, or result is understood, planned, and finished within the constraints of scope, mao ning iyahang description sa produkto, sa serbisyo, or sa iyahang result boundaries o sa acceptance criteria. Sa time naman ay iyang schedule, ang cost, budget niya, o ang iyahang kwalidad. Kwalidad or quality. What is a project? Perhaps it is best to say what a project is not. So, it is not a daily or weekly or even monthly routine or activity such as walking the dog, which is katong gibasa na og gabi guys, walking the dog or weekly course. CHORES. These activities are called ongoing operations. So ongoing operations maoning opposite sa project. How about naman unsa naman yung meaning sa project? So mao na ni, a project is temporary. So dili siya adlaw-adlaw, dili siya routine. Kundi temporary lang siya, naa siya sinugdanan, naa siya katapusan, and then dili siya magdugay. Project siya, initiative, unsa imong plano, unsa imong idea to make it happen in reality. A project is temporary, it has beginning and end, it creates a unique product, service, or result. It can vary in size, be simple or complex, and will involve resources such as materials and people. Some examples of a project are hosting and planning a school prom, a birthday party, or your entry into FI in schools. Akong mama kay naa siya'y plano, naging adlaw. Ay, kagahapon sa buntag or naging adlaw sa buntag. Siguro ingato na nagsabot sila na ang kulbal na kanang maghanda-handa no si mama. Naday sabot si mama o si Erwina nga maligo na og dagat or dili sa dagat dito sa katong naliguan namo last time na swimming pool. Pero ang gitawag ba nila kay Dato Paglas. Pero lahi ito nga pangalan. Um, wait lang, akong i-search sa YouTube. Nasa YouTube account na ako. Nasa YouTube channel na ako, guys. Okay? So, nakalimot pug ko. Dili to siya Dato Paglas. Ang pinaka-title ato. Ang title is San Jose Resort. Ay katong last time sa Sigal, White Sand, min nangaligo. O ako nakaligo og more than 5 hours. So, apit na to siya padulong og 6 hours. Pero consider siya as 5 hours kapin nga naligo. So, katong nga time, dili man to birthday party, kundi, kuan lang, happy-happy lang, lingaw-lingaw lang na trip. So, sa umaabot sa September 13, kuan pag yun na siya, Friday the 13th, birthday celebration. Pero pwede po siya matawag na birthday party. So, maligo na og kuan sa Sigal or sa San Jose Resort. So, maunang project na giplanuhan na naka-agree man siya diri sa constraints sa scope, sa iyang description, sa result boundaries, sa time, sa iyang schedule, ug ang iyang budget or cost, ug ang quality. Nate key rules in project management. Pila ti sila kabuok, upat kabuok. Number 1, project manager. Number 2, project stakeholder. Number 3, project sponsor. And last, number 4, project team members. Mag-start po tayo sa pinaka head, pinaka leader. Sa pinakababa, mo to ang kumbaga murag pinaka-assistant lang. Okay, number 1 is project manager. This is the person responsible for making sure that each of the project's goals and objectives are completed. The project manager with leadership, influence, expertise, and communication skills oversees the project from beginning to end, guides and works with the team to complete the scope, and ensures that everyone involved is informed about how the project progressing. In an FI in schools team, this could be the team manager, or you could create a project manager role within your team. Siya ang superior, siya ang leader, siya ang communicator sa iyahang mga tauhan, siya ang magbantay kung nabay scope na kompleto, na progress na ba ang project, siya tong something na mag-manage, unsay tama, unsay mali sa nasugdan nga project. Number 2, na aside sa project manager, naa siya project stakeholder. This is a person or an organization who is involved or has an interest positively or negatively in the project or the outcome of the project. Project stakeholders may include customers, clients, vendors, team members, and contributors to daily activities. All stakeholders need to be kept informed of the project's progress. The project stakeholders and FY in schools could include your school or college, FI in schools HQ, or your in-country coordinator. So, project stakeholders, so siya tong tao nga naay pagkagusto sa imuhang project. So, maaring ikaw ay customer ka sa project, or kliyente ka sa project, or vendor, something like that, or team members, mga ingana. So, mauning kini nga stakeholders dapat ma-inform siya permanente, tagaan siya og awareness kung unsa ba ka progress, unsa ba ka gwapo, kung unsa ba ka nice ang quality sa project. Progress, dapat aware siya, dapat informed. Alright. Next is project sponsor. This is a key project stakeholder and is the person that provides financial and other needed resources for the project. The project sponsors and in FI in schools are your financial and in-kind sponsors or indeed your school or college. So, sabihin natin kuan ka ng na kay makagusto sa project. So, imagine nga daghan kag kwarta. So, feeling nimo naa kay compassionate heart, naa kay marupok na kasing-kasing. So, kini pwede ka matawag, oo, naa kay role na as a project sponsor. Maghatag kag kwarta financially aron dili magka problema ang kuan unsa bay gasto sa project. Kailangan jud og kwarta sa project aron naay success, na may mga needs unsay paliton, unsay kailangan na buhaton, na kay paliton para magporma og something na project. The last is project team members. These are the people who work on a project and contribute to its success. This is your FI in schools team. Team members. Kumbaga, sila tong mag-assist, sila tong mutabang, sila tong mag-contribute sa ingani nga project ug naa siya dako nga posibilidad nga magiging successful ang project. Kay gitabang-tabangan man gud ninyo og initiate to make it finish the project. So ganon. Okay, so next is the triple constraints of project management. Every time you start a project, you will be concerned with what must be done. Unsa bay nahuman or yang scope or how much it will cost, unsa ba yang budget, and how long it will take or unsa yang oras, the day's deadline. You do this all the time. Using the above examples of hosting and planning the prom or the birthday party or birthday celebration, something like that, we call the three parameters the triple constraints of project. Alright. So, naay pandere, time, scope, and cost. So, mauning, ang iyahang something na nag-connecta with each other na siya sense of quality. So, kining time, kining oras, kining budget, mauning iyang something na resource. Pero, sa ingani nga quality, dili kita malikayan nga naatay risk, naatay problem, something. So, unsa bay maging risk? Imagine, kini. So, kanang maabtan ta og the day's deadline or something like maabtan ta og maabtan ta the day's deadline or kung dili kaya mahutdan ta og budget. Di ba magka problema ta sa budget. Ang resources, time and scope, di ba? Possible. Okay. So ganun po 'yon. So ganun po ang aking understanding kay karon na po ko na nabasahan, karon na po na ko ni na gi-open na nakakuan, karon na po na ko siya na open. Gibasa-basa na ko siya karon. So nigamit og imagination para makasabot ko unsay kuan ani. So as a project manager, you will want to define these parameters early in the project. Once defined, you will use these parameters as guideposts as you plan and later execute for your project. You will also determine which parameter is most important and use the other two as the negotiating points if necessary. For example, you might determine the most important parameter is being ready for a regional competition, which is time, and then with a car that meets the specifications, ang iyang scope. If you run behind schedule, you might need more money or resources. Resources, cost, budget, kwarta. Aron mag-manufacture sa car sa pinakatama and to make it to the competition on time. Saba ko na sabtan ani. Being ready for your regional competition. Okay. Sabto na ako ni. Continue reading. You will notice the parameter of quality in the middle of the triple constraints and resources and risks as influencers. Sabihin na lang natin, resources and risks. Mo ni ang mag-influence sa project. Imagine, resources, maaring kwarta, maaring energy nimo. And then, risk, unsay iyahang magiging challenge. Sabihin natin, naabtan kag hapit na kayong deadline or hapit na mabawasan na imuhang kwarta. Need pa nimo og kwarta aron mo gasto. So mo na akong understanding. Okay. Quality, risks, and resources are used as references to attain your goals. You always need to keep them in mind as you plan and execute. The project management process. Any project, no matter the size or complexity, involves using specific skills, tools, and procedures to complete the project's goals. Project management can be broken down into 5 processes. So, kailangan ni siya i-memorize. Kaya mo ba sa exam? I-memorize lang IPEMCC. Alright? Kining word na controlling, wala man to na-mention yung ganihan, no? Wala siya na-mention. So, ikuan nimo sa una-una IPEMCC. I-memorize to siya. Okay, actually mo gawas sa exam. So, initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, and closing. Okay, memorize na ko ha. IPEMCC. Initiating, executing, wait. IPEMCC. Okay, usaba. Initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and closing, and monitoring and controlling and then closing. Okay, usab. Kay dili ko mo tan-aw diri, memorize lang ko. Okay, memorize ko. Memorize ko. IPEMCC. Nakalimot ko. Okay, IPEMCC. Initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling and closing. Okay. So medyo naka-memorize naman po ko pero kini siya kuan ni siya no mo owning process sa project management. So I believe dili man ako siya basta-basta memorize. Naalan tay sekreto. So kailangan mag-acronym. So naatay IPEM CC. So kini ang sekreto, i-memorize lang ni siya mo process sa tuang project management. So magiging okay siya, di ba? Okay. Usab ta ha, initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Alright. These processes help the project manager and team members define, organize, and keep track of all the work that needs to be completed for a project to make it successful. So, morning ang yung overview. Okay, sa IPEMCC, start tayo sa initiating process. The initiating process is the beginning of the project. During the process, project stakeholders are identified and a project manager is selected. So, katong project stakeholders, siya ang mag-identify sa unsa ba ning klase nga project, while naman sa project manager, siya ang siya ang magpili kung something na maayo or dili sa initiatives na ingani, unsabay something na plano, unsabay iyahang layunin or aim or goals. Project goals and objectives are defined and authorization is obtained to process with the project. Next is, nanata sa next na process. Ikaduha, planning process. During the planning process, the project plan is created. The project manager and team members define project and product scope, major deliverables, and exclusions, subdivide project deliverables and project work into smaller components, work breakdown. So, nasugdan na, nahimo na ang project plan. So, project manager ug ang team members ani nga project mag-form na sila isa ka grupo, naa na sila'y plano, naa na sila'y ma-define sa project, and able to make it processable, and magsabot-sabot na sila kung sabay maayong buhaton, mag-meeting na sila guys. Alright, so mag-CR sa ako, mangi sa ako guys, tabi. So kuan lang guys ha, kailangan maanad na kuan ni, pwede man di ay kung adto ko og shrine, okay naman po na ibilin ng laptop, naman ko yung cellphone nga isa, depende ani kung ma-download ba sa cellphone ng wadaan. Okay, let's continue. Kinana ko diri. Okay. So, kuan na ta. Initiatives na ni, nahimo na ni. So, naatay information. This information allows the team to define the activities and tasks needed to complete the final product, service, or result. They also determine what staff and resources that are needed and establish the timeline and available budget for the project. The planning process is very important to the overall success of the project. Without careful planning, a project manager and project team may find it very difficult to achieve project success. Kailangan careful ka, kailangan meticulous ka, kailangan mugamit ka og analytical thinking, critical thinking. This is very realistic. Dili siya char-char, dili siya abstract ang imong pag-iisip ani. Kailangan jud calculating and gamit kag determination kanang unsabay maayong buhaton para pag human sa planning process, next na nimo buhaton, mag-execute na ka. So number 3, executing. Executing is the process of working through the project plan. The executing process involves performing the activities outlined during the planning process. Kuan na siya, nag-step by step na. Dili na ka mobalik sa planning process. Dili na ka mobalik po sa initiating process. Nana ka sa step number 3. So, nagplano na ka, carefully, imo na siyang i-execute. So, i-perform mo ang activities unsa man to ang napagplanuhan during planning process. So, pag ingani nga moment, naanay next na may tabo, monitoring na ka o sa controlling. Sa ano mo pag-monitor, sa ano mo pag-control sa project. It occurs continuously throughout the entire project. Kaya kini, diri na jud ka. pasukdulan na ni. You reach the mountain to achieve to success, something like that. So, diri na ka. Mura na kag musaka sa, mura na kag mukatkat sa mountain. Ma-reach nimo ang top sa mountain didto, ma-achieve na nimo ang success. Monitoring and controlling involves ensuring that all the tasks in the project plan are completed to produce the deliverables and final product of the project as per the definition of the scope on time and within budget, as well as addressing any changes necessary to successfully achieve the project goals. Alright? So, pag kuan na nimo ni siya, matuloy-tuloy na ni siya, may balaan nimo monitoring. I-monitor nimo unsay mali. Controlling na kay makontrol and bantayan nimo kinsa man tong team members nga nagkuan nga itabang, team members nga team members pwede pod sila ang mag-control sa situation to make the project very, very, very stable and wala na'y mali. Careful, you have to be very perfectionist on this situation. So, i-address ang changes kay necessary siya aron ay may tabo nga 100% success. Ma-achieve nimo ang ingato nga project. So, pag ma-achieve na nimo ang project goals na naka sa number 5, closing process na ka. Kung saan natabo sa project goals, na-deliver na siya. Final administrative work is completed and lessons learned are captured to improve future projects. The closing process involves taking the time to celebrate the team's successes along the way toward completion of the project. Okay, so mauna to siya. Na-deliver na ang project goals. Okay, nanatay next na kung anani na situation. Each of these processes will be addressed in more detail below. Initiating process. So naa siya tulo ka goals. Unsaon pag-define sa project. And then mag-identify sa stakeholders. Okay. Kinsa tong stakeholders? So siya tong kuan person or an organization who is involved or has an interest positively or negatively in the project or the outcome of the project. Siya ang kuan, siya tong naay nagka-interest, nagagusto sa project. So sabihin natin, customer siya sa imuhang sabi may tawag ani, customer sa sari-sari store. Sige, customer sa project na lang. Okay? Okay, sabihin natin or client or kliyente. Okay. Kinsa imuhang stakeholders na dili sa initiating process. So, kailangan kaayo ni define the project and then kinsa imuhang client and then authorize the project by developing a project charter. Wala ako kabalo sa project charter paani, so may balaan ako na puhon. So sunod na lang ako na i-research. Defining the project. During this process, you will define the goals and identify the deliverables of your FI and schools competition entry, or as we will now call it your FI and schools project. You will need to answer the basic project questions of upat ka buok W and isa ka buok H. Upat ka buok W, why, who, what, when, where. Lima di ka buok na W. Again, why, who, what, when, where. Isa ka H is how. Magsugod ta sa why. Why is the project being initiated? Ngano gusto nimo ni sugdan ning inganing nga proyekto? Kanang unsabay naisip nimo unsabay o ngano ganahan ka ani or ngano gusto nimo ni naa ba kay passion, lami ba kaayo ni kuan, naka-align ba siya sa imong heart na kuan ba gusto nimo ni siya unsabay rason. Okay, imagine if kuan sabihin na lang natin nga nay nagpahimo sa kuha og art. Sabihin natin char-char lang niya, grade 12 section ICT. Dili siya kabalo mo kuan mo drawing. So imagine siya ang ako ang kliyente. So pangutana ani unsaon pag-define sa project. So imagine ang iyang gi-define, ang iyang giingon sa kuha magpahimo siya og project sa for example sa MAPE, sa arts, grade 12 section ICT. So siya ako ang stakeholder, murag kuan naman ini siya, ako ang project manager, ako ang creator, siya ang stakeholder. So i-initiate ko ni why is the project being initiated. Actually ako ang ma-answer ani kung arts lang naman maghimo kag arts, sa ako ang palagay is personally I have creative energy, I have imaginative energy. Whether mahalata ninyo sa kuha about sa kuha or dili, I love creating arts. Unsay reason? Gusto kong makakuan, gusto kong makatabang. Arts lang naman ang problema. Okay lang yan. Who? Okay, next question. Who is this work being done for? O sabihin na lang natin na nagpahimo sa ako. O, kuan. Murag, kuan na, for example, kaila lang ako sa taga Santa Ana National High School. Gusto niya magpahimo. Who is this work being done for? So katong grade 12 section ICT student, identify the people participating in or affected by the project's outcome both positively and negatively. Oh. Ako lang ang mag-participate ani. So katong client siya lang tong tigtanaw. And then what are we going to deliver? What work do we need to complete? What resources and funds do we need to produce these deliverables? Ay, unsay pasabot nimo nga what are you going to deliver? Siguro kuan, asa nga lugar? Ay di magingon na where? What naman? What are we going to deliver? Ang ako ang maatubag ani, what work do we need to complete? Actually, moadto ra ko sa, sabihin na lang natin, ako ray isa sa classroom. Ambot lang kay murag outsider na kay ko ana, mosulod kag Santa Ana. Human naka-graduate sa Santa Ana, mosulod pagyapon ka. Pero I think what work do we need? Kuan naman art materials nya asa ka pwede mo lugar. Pwede sa Magsaysay Park na lang kamo adto or People's Park. What resources? Kung halimbawa, art projects, 1/8 illustration board or kung unsa man klase nga drawings or sabihin na lang natin nga soil painting. Soil with water, ibutang siya sa plastic cup, tapos pwede brush, pwede pud tukog ang gamit. So mao nang resources. Kung funds ang ginabase, moadto kag NCC Mall, palit kag illustration board ana. Pero before pa man ka mag-create ana no, before ka mag-create og soil painting, na kay pencil, alright? Na kay something i-drawing bago ka mag-apply something sa soil with water, ikuan nimo i-apply. Ano na, that. Inato kong gibuhat. Okay. And then, when will we produce these deliverables? When will the project sponsor approve and accept the final project deliverables? Karon saan siya ma-produce? Or halimbawa, makaya naman ako ng isa ka oras. When, I believe, ma-approve naman dahil ni siya kuan. Actually, hindi na kailangan no, ako na may project manager, ako'y creator, o ako na po'y sponsor. Ako'y mo gasto. Ay, didi ay. Ang stakeholder ang mo gasto na ani. Pwede. Ang mo gasto sa illustration board. Right? Siya po'y mag-sponsor. Siya po'y magkuan, something na mag-andam sa soil with water. Okay, kids paint last session. Okay, so where next where will be deliverables be used? Asa ba magamit? Dili. Kuan lang ni siya. Asa ni siya ipasa? Ipasa lang ni sa project. O, katong stakeholders, siya pa mismo mag-sponsor. Alright. Okay guys. Sige. Kaya nga to ang study time, 2 parts, 2 ka parts na nakaroon kay since wala mo kay kauban din sa balay, no? So, atulan ning siya ikuan, ma-continue man nato ni siya karon. So, na ako gi-imagine kay katong ganing last time nga nag-audition ko sa eskwelahan sa dito sa may Sidlak na kuan na club kani adto man ko tong last Thursday, August 22. So, nag-andam po ko atong soil painting. So, nag-imagine lang ko, maaaring connected yapon siya diri sa to ang project. Okay. So, kuan. Babay sa ta guys. Dapat party. Thank you for watching all.